These are the questions that you might expect to be asked as a defendant in a DWI trial. State your name. What is your occupation? Where did you go to high school? Where did you go to college? Are you married? Do you have any children? What civic or charitable activities are you involved in? How many alcoholic drinks did you have on the night that you were arrested? What time did you have each alcoholic drink? Who mixed those drinks? How much alcohol was poured into each drink? What was the quantity in ounces of each drink? Where did you have each drink? Who was with you for each drink? Prior to being arrested, when did you last eat? What did you have to eat? Is very important to you. Isn't it true that you would rather lose your privilege to drive than take a breath test? Why did you refuse the blood test? Are you saying that you don't believe that a blood test is accurate? Isn't it true that you would rather lose your privilege to drive than let the jury know your breath test score? Isn't it possible that you don't really remember how many drinks you had on the night that you were arrested? Who paid for your drinks? Were your drinks purchased with cash or a credit card? Do you have a receipt for each drink? Are you aware that you could subpoena those receipts to court? Why didn't you subpoena the receipt records of your drinking to court? You've spent a lot of time preparing your case, haven't you? Why are your witnesses not in court today? Are you aware that you could issue a subpoena for each witness to be in court today? Do you think your memory is better than the arresting officer's memory? Have you discussed the facts of your case with your attorney and with your witnesses? When did you first discuss this case with your witnesses? Isn't it true that your attorney told you what to say in court? Is this case important to you? Could the arresting officer smell alcohol on your breath? How often do you drink alcoholic beverages? What is your favorite alcoholic drink? Do your witnesses normally count your drinks? Have you ever been intoxicated? How many drinks does it take for you to become intoxicated? How many drinks does it take for your judgment to be diminished? How many drinks does it take for you to get a slight buzz? How much do you normally drink when you go out? How often do you get intoxicated? Have you ever been drunk? How do you act when you're drunk? How many drinks does it take for you to be drunk? Can someone tell if you are intoxicated? How can someone tell if you are intoxicated? Are you a light drinker or a heavy drinker? Are you the type of person who can consume a large quantity of alcohol and have someone not know it? Are you the type of person who's affected by a small quantity of alcohol? Isn't it true that if you had not been intoxicated, you wouldn't have made all those mistakes on the video?